So as I mentioned in the beginning, we have also instituted this year onwards the CSI NIRI Foundation Day Lifetime Achievement Awards to recognize the contribution and of the various ground workers who are actually working in the field for protection of environment and contributing significantly. So this award is to facilitate such active workers who are working in the field. So we are feeling rather honored to announce the Lifetime Achievement Awards to two such individuals working extensively in the field of societal benefit and environmental protection. So this year the CSI NIRI Foundation Day Lifetime Achievement Award are conferred to Dr. J.P. Gupta and Shri Rutudhwaj Balawan Deshpande. So Dr. J.P. Gupta is incidentally from LIT Nagpur and his passions are process safety and environment protection. Dr. Gupta is extensively working with Indian industries to implement process safety at various levels. He has obtained his BTech from LIT Nagpur with first rank and gold medal and masters from IIT Delhi and PhD from Toronto. Dr. Gupta has been instrumental in setting up the two centers of excellence of international standards at IIT Delhi and Ankleshwar. Dr. Gupta has also been appointed as chairman of Environmental Expert Appraisal Committee and chairman of Governing Council for Centers of Excellence at IIT Delhi. So I will request both Dr. Gupta and Shri Baba Deshpande ji to speak to address the gathering for few and share their exciting journey and few words to all the participants. First Dr. Gupta and then I request Dr. Baba Deshpande. So,
good afternoon. I am Dr. Gupta and I am really humbled to receive this award and I am really appreciative of the work done by NIRI. And I remember distinctly when I was a young engineer from IIT and joined Engineers India Limited. And when I first visited NIRI for setting up a petrochemical project and refinery at Bangalore Refinery, and from that onward till date, it is mind-boggling. It is undoubtedly, whenever I went abroad, everyone knew NIRI, Institute of International Recognition. Really, it's a matter of great pride for all scientists like us to be associated with this great institute. But the most important thing too, that this is only the institute. This is not only believing in just publications. This institute is providing solutions to the ground level problems. And it is really a heart-touching to find an institute like NIRI to think of a cremation ground where all people go, and when they are standing there, their eyes are wet of tears due to the smoke going all around. I tell you, my friends, no doubt it's an international organization, but what you're doing, no one is doing it in India. Particularly, scientists provide solutions to publish research paper, but do not do this kind of work what you are doing. I salute your director, Rakesh ji, and keep it on. Second point, which became very interesting, and I am so proud of our director, Rakesh ji, that he always think about the Center of Excellence in carbon calculation. I tell him here that hydrogen is the fuel for the future, and with this hydrogen, this Center of Excellence should not only be limited to capturing of the carbon dioxide, but it should also involve the training program for the scientists and the technicians for the hydrogen, because hydrogen is the fuel for the future, and only NIRI could produce the engineers and technicians and training for a large number of engineers which we need, because hydrogen is a very, very difficult molecule to handle. Last, I would like to particularly thank and I'm very happy to get this award in the company of Nitin Gadkari ji, to whom I always consider my role model. He is an architect of modern India, and when we read in the paper he is going to bring the roads to the US level. It is a matter of great pride for such a minister who is always thinking of social transformation and the poorest to the poor. And we are, Nagpur and Niri are fortunate to have this minister with him. Finally, I request as a person, because I am a student of LIT, if Nitin Gadkari ji, you could change the face of India, why don't you change the face of a small institute, our LIT? I can assure you the blessings of a great master Lakshmi Narayan ji, who contributed the entire savings to this institute. It is ruining on your Janam Bhoomi. Please do not neglect it. You can do it. Thank you very much.
AP गुप्ता जी को कहूँगा कि वो LIT में मैं ध्यान दूंगा, दे रहा हूँ। इसमें गवर्नर साहब से भी बातचीत हुई है, VC से भी हुई है। मैं उसको साथ बैठकर एक बार उसको आगे ले जाऊंगा। और एक काम रह गया है वो, और आपकी इच्छा है LIT को हम लोग एक देश की केमिकल टेक्नोलॉजी का वर्ल्ड क्लास IIT के बराबरी के मुकाबले में एक अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट बनाने के लिए मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। थैंक यू।